You get your bag and your phone and you didn't find your wallet.
I didn't find my wallet.
Oh, okay.
Stand up, sir.
No, nothing.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
It's very noticeable that that wasn't your wallet that you picked up. I don't think that was an accident, if you ask me.
The 29th of September, 2025, Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport, Broward County, Florida.
What happened? How you doing, man?
Good, yourself?
What happened?
Clearly, I was going through the, I guess, TSA thing line or whatever.
Line 9?
Yeah, this one right here.
Which one? This one? 8 or 9?
9, but I was on the left,
Okay.
left side. I put my bag, my wallet, and my phone. That's what I had in my hand.
Okay.
I put it in the bin. Of course, I had to wait for them to check me because this is a prosthetic leg.
Okay.
So, of course, you know, I already know the procedure, checking all that. So, by the time I came out, that's what I'm saying, I had people waiting on me. But by the time I came out, my thing always, my bag, my phone, that's it.
Or you get your bag and your phone and you didn't find your wallet.
I didn't find my wallet.
Oh, okay. So obviously we get somebody, you know, who's on the camera, so he's in custody right now. Are you willing to press charges against this guy? You have your ID with you?
Well, he had this in my wallet.
Did you have any money in the wallet? How much money do you have in the
That I
wallet?
honestly don't know. It was over, no, let me try to touch it off. It was over 25, I know that, because I've been playing.
$25? That's it?
Yeah, I mean more than 5, not like a 20, it was split up.
Okay.
But my ID,
no more than $25?
Yeah, no more than that.
Okay.
How about that? I guess he thought it was something with the Gucci wallet.
Oh, okay.
So I guess he thought
What color was the wallet?
black.
Black wallet? What's the name? Gucci wallet?
I'm gonna give a plug for my team. So if you could contact TSA, these are the names, okay? And my name is in the packet. You need anything else? That's right.
Thank you.
Thank you. I hope you have a better day, okay?
Thank you.
This is what I want you to do, man, for me, man. I want you to write a statement for me. And at the end, said I want to prosecute, okay? Did you give him any permission to take your wallet?
No, I don't even know who it is.
No, okay.
Sir, stand up, sir.
No, nothing.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah, I don't need any other. Just 1090.
Yes, 4980.
Got it? Have any idea on it?
No.
Did you get it on video?
Yeah, he's on video. What's your name?
Anthony Falls.
This is so-called his wallet.
That's his wallet?
This one isn't, so straighten up the cars here.
Okay.
3 Foxtrot 400. We have one in detain.
Can we go somewhere in private?
Let me ask you a question. Did you take the wallet in private? Huh? You're sitting there for this reason because you brought this on yourself, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Your name is Anthony Jason?
Yes.
Did you look at the other wallet?
I have you gotta go through his bag. So let's walk him out.
Okay.
We don't have ID. We just got a social security card on there. We haven't went through his stuff yet.
Okay.
His name's Anthony.
You have any ID in there? You have any ID in there or passport?
Social security card.
That's the only thing you have?
And I have should have an ID.
You gotta have ID, otherwise you'll be flying.
Who's Lucas Montgomery? Who's Lucas Montgomery?
Something I found.
Huh?
Something I found.
Something you
All
found?
right, sir, listen. You know why we're here, right? Yes, you got cameras, so it doesn't help yourself to lie to us. It's straight up, make this easy. We get done, and you get in and out. Okay? So I'm not gonna ask you specific questions. When the texts arrive, they're gonna talk to you about it. Okay? But Just place the wire cameras.
The
Okay?
last one is false?
Yes. All right, so let's go. Let's get him up out of here. There's all your bags here, right? Yes.
What's your birthday, folks?
You going with him?
Let me take him to my car.
How you doing? Good.
Excellent.
I didn't want to leave, but so the victim wants to prosecute. There's still a checkpoint. So
We got it.
they'll get it for you. Because all they got on him right now is Social Security card. Once they get it, we'll make sure it gets coming to you guys. And the victim's still in the front, right?
He wanted to leave. He wanted his wallet. He has the wallet.
I have it. The wallet he has in his pocket.
Yeah.
It's all beat
Hey,
up.
so we had a party.
Hey, Sarge. So the victim's wallet, we haven't went through those bags yet. We haven't recovered the wallet yet. So the victim's over here wanting his wallet back, obviously. So we haven't went through any of that stuff. Clearly on video, you're watching me. All right.
All right, like I said, before I ask you any question, I need to ask you with you, all right, okay?
Yes, sir.
You have to remain silent and to refuse to answer any questions. Anything you say can and may be used against you in a court of law. You understand?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to talk to an attorney before talking to me and to have an attorney here with you doing questioning now or in the future. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you. You understand? So knowing and understanding your rights, are you willing to speak to me now without an attorney present? So, what happened in there today?
I'm just rushing, trying to get through the process and grab the wrong wallet.
Okay, you grabbed your own wallet? So, okay. Did you have any wallet on
Yes.
you? So the wallet that you grabbed, was it yours or somebody else?
The one I got in mine.
Huh?
The one I had to use in mine.
Apparently, when we check your luggage, and we located a black Gucci wallet. And does it belong to you? Where you get that wallet from?
Like I say, trying to rush through, get through the process. I grabbed the wrong bin.
So what?
I grabbed it. I got reached in the wrong bin because I had a bag with me.
Okay. But did you have a black wallet? That's my question.
My wallet is
Huh?
brown
But you picked up a black one, a Gucci,
by accident.
by accident.
Went like I was trying to kill him.
Okay.
It has a stripe on it. It's very, very noticeable.
Yeah, it's very noticeable that that wasn't your wallet that you picked up. I don't think that was an accident,
And
if
then
you
the side
ask
of
me.
his back.
And you put on the side of your bag. You think that's an accident?
Ask him how
Like
much
I
you
say, I was trying to rush the process, trying to get my flight.
How much? Okay, how much money did you have in your own wallet?
I think I had, I don't even remember.
Okay. So the thing is, when the victim said he had some money in his wallet, when we located your wallet, it was empty. You understand what I'm saying? How much money do you have in your own wallet?
Still much,
Huh?
25, 20, I think it's still my shoe. Should be,
You have any money? You have money in your shoes?
should be my shoe.
Is that your money or the money you took from the other wallet?
Mine.
Your money in your shoe. What are the money we found in the wallet there? Huh? Hey, you put your foot out there for me, please. You have any gloves? Yeah. Let me see.
Which one's the green one?
The green part? There's nothing in there. You see all the food?
Help us help you. If you see something, say something. Report suspicious activity to the nearest law enforcement officer, GSA officer, or airline executive.
There's the money in there.
I must put it in the wallet.
You must have put it in your wallet. Okay. It's about $30 you said? Okay. So this money, the $30, that's the money you take from the other wallet. from the Gucci one. Okay. No, put it for. He said it's about like he took about $30 from the guy's wallet. Yes. Will you step out? Step out. Step out. Can you step out?
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, it's loosened. You see?
That's it, dude. It's about
Yeah.
loose again.
All right.
Oh, cool.
So who's Lucas? Lucas Montgomery? Oh no? Oh.
Yeah, he's sitting there.
Yeah, he said he doesn't know who did this stuff. There you go. Okay, all right, bud.
Yeah,
We're going to charge him with possession of a stolen credit card.
That's a stolen
That's a
credit card?
felony.
Okay.
Let's see if we can find this guy.
So you said you have more than $25, right? All right, so I'll give you the wallet already. Did I?
Yeah.
All right. This is what we got on here. One. Remember that? That's a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's 14, 15, that's 20 plus a 20. Is that your 22?
I promise it could have been. I have stuff folded in my wallet. I know I just won this playing games.
Okay.
So that could have been something extra, but I know that's to a fact.
So
I had 20 or more.
20 or more. That's less than 20.
Yeah. So that's what I say.
All right, this one is returned to you, okay?
Thank you.
And we come to 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, $40. All right?
Thank you.
All right?
Thank you so much.
All right. So you said that you're willing to press charges, right?
I am.
Okay. So you already signed everything, okay? All right. So you have any questions for me? Okay.
Incident wallet theft from a TSA security screening bin. Suspect Anthony Falls arrested at the scene by Broward County Sheriff deputies. Charges filed: possession of stolen credit or debit card, felony 3rd degree, and theft under Florida law. Florida Statute 812.014. Theft requires knowingly obtaining or using another person's property with intent to deprive them of its use or benefit. 3 required elements for prosecution: knowing act, unauthorized taking, and intent to deprive. The victim's statement on camera satisfies all 3. Florida Statute 817.6. Possession of a stolen credit or debit card constitutes a 3rd degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years incarceration. Critical point: the statute does not require proof of use. Knowing possession of a card belonging to another person is sufficient to convict. This single charge elevates the case from misdemeanor petite theft to felony, fundamentally changing sentencing exposure and prosecutorial strategy. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966. Before custodial interrogation, officers must advise suspects of the right to silence, right to counsel, and right to appointed counsel. Berkemer v. McCarty, 1984. Miranda protections attach at the moment a suspect is taken into custody, regardless of offense severity. Bergwise v. Tompkins, 2010. A suspect who speaks after receiving Miranda warnings is presumed to have knowingly and voluntarily waived those rights. Consequence: the suspect's post-Miranda statement that he grabbed the wrong wallet became admissible evidence directly contradicting his own defense. Chimel v. California, 1969. Incident to a lawful arrest: officers may search the suspect's person and all areas within his immediate control. No warrant required. The shoe search and bag search were both constitutionally valid under the search incident to arrest doctrine. Under the reasonable person standard, the accidental taking defense fails. The suspect's wallet was brown. The stolen wallet was a distinctive black Gucci design. Physical concealment of cash inside his shoe further negates any claim of mistake, as concealment demonstrates conscious guilty knowledge. Lesson 1. Possession of a stolen payment card alone triggers felony exposure. Practitioners must not assume misdemeanor treatment when cards are present. Lesson 2. Post-Miranda statements are powerful prosecutorial tools. Suspects who waive rights and speak often supply the evidence that convicts them. Lesson 3. On-camera proper inventory before return to victim establishes chain of custody and closes evidentiary gaps at trial. Lesson 4. Dual charging, combining a felony count with a misdemeanor, is legally sound when independent statutory elements support each charge. Takeaway. Strong cases are built through layered evidence, proper Miranda compliance, and lawful search doctrine, not through any single factor alone.